What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are installing downpipes on the GTR. I got my buddy Bryson over here with me, and he's going to be riding down to Sacramento with me where we're getting the downpipes installed. We might make a couple other pit stops and do a couple other cool things, but this video is sure to be fire. All right, guys, here's the last startup with stock downpipes. After today, the whole entire car will be catless, so we will be much louder and we'll get a little bit more power. Watch out, dog! What you want?
It's like you never opened this.
I did. I'm just good at repackaging because I like boxes to close all the way.
Yeah, you really are good at it.
I only took one out. Yeah.
Never open a box and I'm gonna just shove it back in.
Oh, it's a catless. Nice.
Don't say that on camera.
Oh.
Allegedly.
Oh, never mind. There's the cat.
There's the cat. Oh, we found it. We found it.
There's the cat.
Yeah, you can hear it purring. The cat's purring in there.
There it is.
It's like a kitten.
That's nice.
These are also titanium.
Yeah, I don't mess around, man, when it comes to my car. I only do high-quality California legal parts.
Yeah.
Look, you see all the catalytic converters in there? Yeah.
Damn, there's some big cats.
It's like a mountain lion in there.
Right?
These are 3.5.
I don't know, man.
You should know, man. Because your tuner needs to know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're going to measure to find out how wide these downpipes are.
Ross, 3.5?
Yeah.
So they are.
3.5?
3.5.
Boom. Got that girth.
Yep.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Jonathan getting his hands dirty.
Yep. You disconnect the O2 sensor right here on each side.
Right there. That sucks. Original downpipe 1. Off. Crushing it. Look at that turbo. Maybe get like a foot right there. That's the pro move right there. You're the star of this video, Raj.
Oh god.
You're the star, man. You want to be on the camera? Can I show your face? Oh,
Yeah.
sexy time.
Hey. We get it done.
Honestly, this was so much smoother than I had anticipated. You really know your shit.
Experience counts, right?
Experience, oh, absolutely.
And when things break, you fix them right without just leaving them undone.
Exactly.
We got the bolt in there. Our downpipe still looks good.
Yeah.
We are golden.
Yeah.
All 10 were taken off. All 10 were put back.
Let's do that titanium test really quick because I missed it before. So here we go.
Nope.
Here we have it, guys.
We got nothing. All titanium.
This is all
Oh,
titanium.
even the hanger's titanium. Titanium? Ah! Not titanium.
Oh, the bolts. Oh.
There's the lie. The bolts are not. Bolts are what's weighing
There
it
we
down.
go.
But what about right here? Oh,
Nice. Do you understand the concept, guys? Titanium is not magnetic. We're using a magnet to check if it's titanium or not. I guess I got a good deal on this exhaust. Corsa for the win.
TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, like all stuff like that.
Yeah. I watch those guys. Do you watch the Stradman?
I did not watch Stradman, no.
Okay, so he inspires me because on his channel, it's a car channel, but it's kind of vlog style over like car, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And so literally like today or yesterday, he just bought a hypercar. He bought a Bugatti Veyron. And just to like see, yeah, like a $1 million car he just bought, and to see someone on YouTube go from like I'm homeless living in my car to I just bought a Bugatti Veyron, that's like hell of inspiring to me.
Yeah, no, definitely.
And so like I'm like, dude, I gotta make more videos, more content.
When people say like you don't ever like want to meet your idol.
Yeah, because they'll end up being like a dick or something. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, I mean,
So,
you know, it is what it is. Like I try to just like. I'm a different person on the camera than I am in real life too.
Right.
Not on purpose, just because like I try to
be more energetic,
be who people want me to be on the
exactly.
camera. So like in real life, like I just try to like not. I try to like separate the two, even though it's like the same person though, you know. But that's just like what inspires me, seeing like the other people and how successful they are. Like I get inspired with like other people's success because I'm like I could do that. I just got to be consistent. Basically, if I do exactly what they did, I can get to the same level that they're at. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, boys, welcome to part 2 of the video. Unfortunately, last night my battery died before I could really give an awesome shout out to Raj, the guy who was working on my car. Him and my buddy Jonathan, they did an amazing job installing the downpipes. It was such a smooth, clean process. Huge props to them. I really appreciate them for hooking it up with the clean work, the solid work, and the work that I know that I can trust on my GTR. I also have another awesome surprise for you guys. I have recently purchased burnt rubber t-shirts and they are ready. So later on in this video, we will be heading down to go pick them up. I only have a very small quantity and I'm going to be giving away these t-shirts at the next car meet that I go to. Guy, let's go do some data logging. Let's do some third gear pulls, 2200 RPMs all the way up to 6800 RPMs. Gonna be good times. You know what, I'm just gonna try it right here. I can't race.
I smell the ethanol.
No, it's not. I just got my downpipes installed and I don't have a tune yet. I'm actually data logging right now so I can send the information to my tuner. Gary Baines.
Okay, where's he at?
He's in San Jose.
Okay.
Yeah. He already tuned it. I would love to run you guys, but not yet. Exhaust and intake. Yeah. Thanks, man. Same with you guys. Why is that always so much fun? It kind of sounds like a trumpet. It sounds like a trumpet or like a trombone or something. In a good way, in like a really good way. In a way that puts a smile on your face. And what's even cooler is I don't even have the tune and it feels faster. I'm not getting on the freeway to do any more pulls at the moment. I think that's probably a wise decision. All right, this data logging session is complete. Now I just got to get everything plugged into my computer and send the logs over for the tune. All right, let's take a quick break from all that data logging and open up the new iMac. Here we have my messy little workstation and here we have the iMac. So I am going to clean everything up so that way I have a place to put my new computer. Alright guys, so here we have it, the brand new 27-inch 2020 iMac. I got this thing souped up with some higher end specs, so let's open it up, power her on, and check it out. That was satisfying. Keyboard, power cable. Dude, you guys, this is so much bigger than my MacBook Pro. Whoa. Whoa, holy moly. This screen is huge. All right, come around here, let's check it out. Yo, this thing is ginormous. Look at it compared to my MacBook Pro. Look at this, 15-inch screen versus a 27-inch screen. I actually have to lean back in my chair just so I can get it. All right, we've got everything plugged in and set up. Let's turn this thing on. Yo, that looks so good. What? Wow. Well done, Apple. Well done. And for those interested, the specs are Retina 5K 27-inch 2020 computer. It has a 3.8 gigahertz 8-core Intel i7 processor. It has 32 gigs of 2667 megahertz DDR4 RAM. The graphics card is an AMD Radeon Pro 5700 XT, 16 gigabytes. I think this will get the job done. This computer is going to allow me to make better videos for you guys on my YouTube channel, right? So right now I'm using my small MacBook Pro. I have to lean in really far to see stuff. Sometimes when I'm editing something, if it's in like 4K and I have text going on, it just gets choppy and slow. And this computer is not going to run into any of those problems. So this is going to be my new workstation. Wow, that's beautiful. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. All right, so two things. Thing number one, we got our second revision of our map for the car. So I already installed it, and I'm gonna save you guys the data logging part of it. It's fun, but I've already done some data logging. What I'm gonna do is I'll do a couple pulls to show you guys, you know, how it sounds and whatnot. But as far as the full like data logging sequence, I'm not gonna show you all of that. And then next thing, I'm actually driving to go pick up my t-shirt. That's right, guys, I now have burnt rubber t-shirts. I'm gonna be giving away some t-shirts at the next car meet that I go to, so be sure to pay attention to my Instagram to see which car meet that is and where it's gonna be at, so you can find me and get one of the new t-shirts. So we're here with my buddy Tim. He just got finished making my t-shirts.
How's it going?
We're gonna check them out. I'm super excited.
So we got your GTR shirts.
Ooh, nice.
Yep. We have two colors in here. Got the green one.
Yo,
Okay.
that is sick. That green
Yep.
is so good.
And then we have your white one here. I'm sure
Oh,
they've
man.
been waiting for this.
That looks
there
so
you go.
good.
Yep.
Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna lay them both. Oh man, got you all laced.
Wow. That looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below which one you like better.
They're actually the first GTR that came out of that printer.
Nice.
Everybody else is like S2000s.
We're making history.
Yeah,
We're
it's
making
the first
history.
One, so yeah,
Awesome.
there you go.
Dude, thank you so much. They look
No
amazing.
problem, man. No problem. This is a 17.
Yeah, it's a 17. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, so I've got full exhaust, intake, and a tune.
GTR, what a bike.
Got him on the jump, though.
Damn. Woo!
Let's see if we can go one more.
That was good. That was good. Man, I was not expecting.
I even got my jacket.
Man.
Hey, we could try again.
There you go.
Let's try again.
Yeah, we're at 100 grand.
About 80.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Yep.
Is that what is that?
1,000.
Shit,
Boat
no.
stop.
That was good, though.
42 years of experience.
There you
Damn.
And I ain't afraid of shit.
It's still riding. Damn, bro. Yo.
Oh my
Grandpa goals right now.
Grandpa,
Grandpa.
dude, that was my first launch with the new tune. That was insane. Oh my god.
What the Oh man, I left myself back there, bro. I need to pick myself up.
Dude, like my heart is like fluttering.
Damn.
Oh my god, I think I gave myself some palpitations.
Holy shit. Grandpa goals right now. Dude, thank you, man. This ride is sick.
That
bro.
was
I mean,
insane.
the jump is. Whew. Whew, I'm still back there, bro.
I am too.
I'm just about to catch myself right now. Whew.
Battery's gonna die, so we're gonna sign off.
Later, guys.
Peace
Cool.
out. All right, folks, we are going to be wrapping up today's video with a photo shoot. We got some nice drone shots coming up, and be sure to check out my Instagram for this sweet set of pictures that are gonna be dropping soon. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. What's up, bro? How you doing?
It's good, man. How about you?
Doing good. Is that filter that gets that red? You guys don't even know about that red. You're about to. This is my boy Brian. He'll be shooting that fire. I'm telling you. Check out my Instagram in like 3 days.